Today is January 19th, 2021, and my people, it's about that time.
Like a boss.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today we are looking at Ethereum hitting an all-time high north of $1,440. I will be doing a live technical analysis of ETH on the air, as well as showing you the charts and letting you know if this is a good time to jump in, get your feet wet, and jump on the money train for ETH to the BTC. So if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You're now rocking with the best. My name is BK, also known as the Crypto Trader, and I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you can profit as a result. And today is no exception. So we will jump inside the Facebook group, #1 Bitcoin group in the world, #1, and we will give away some free Bitcoin, right? Share this post to win free Bitcoin. Boom, boom, boom. And let's jump in and put in our thumbnail right here. So all you guys got to do if you want to win some free BTC is share this post right here, right? Boom, boom. It's just that easy to get you paid. In fact, we will go in and pick a winner from our last contest right here. What comes next? 14 shares. Make sure you have your settings on to where I can see you when you share. Today is what? 119, January 19th. 1, 1, and 9 is 21. 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's go 3 from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Bam! My man Muhammad Mira. Do me a favor, shoot me your Bitcoin wallet. I send you a couple bucks BTC as a token of my appreciation. Mr. Muhammad Mira, you are the winner today. So it's just that easy to get paid. So if you haven't done it already, subscribe right now, turn your notifications on. I do these videos as often as I can to try to help people make money. And this was no exception. I said January 6th, 2021. Buy Ethereum now. We had about 3,000 views on that video. I predicted a price, it looks like, of 0.039 on the next breakout. Guess what we hit in the markets not too long ago, or what we're running up to right now, 0.038. So we are well en route to fill this chart and form a double top on Ethereum, which will be bullish in its indication to the market, right? And so this was a video I made not even, I believe, 10 days ago. Ethereum was down at 0.033. Today, it's up at 0.038. You could have made a significant amount of money by watching that video. And this is when a crypto is starting to get hot, heat up a little bit. When the CJBs start talking about it, if you don't know what CJB is, just research some of my previous video. It's stand for the circle jerk boys, because those are all the rich dudes, you know what I'm saying, sitting up on the 33rd floor, just passing the money, the billions of dollars in the circle, stroking each other off under the table to see who gets the pile of money next. This is what they're talking about. Ether, the world's second biggest crypto closing in on all-time high. Well, it just broke it. Right? And these are some of the articles you actually need to facilitate mainstream adoption. Keep in mind, they're still extorting you in the process, and you need to support their, quote, journalism by allowing ads. I don't do it. If you don't want to do it, I definitely recommend using Brave browser. It works quite well, not Google Chrome, which is also owned by the Alphabet boys. Don't believe me? Look them up. That's the name of their company. Ethereum breaks its previous all-time high of $1,420 after 3 years. This is what the chart looks like. Boom, boom, right? That is an amazing, amazing resurgence of ETH to the BTC. It's been a lot of money made on this blockchain, and I think a lot more setting up in the near and dear future. If you just look at, this is a 7-hour, right? We're literally just getting set on this cycle. And one thing you could do, you know, is just really just set the chart right there, right? And turn this off. This is more of a macro analysis of Ethereum as it compares to Bitcoin, right? One thing you could do is basically say that this part of the chart, this little cycle right there, let's take that down. I want to do triangle, right? Breakout, breakdown, flatline. That's a very important cycle because that cycle basically makes that cycle. You see? A lot of times you could just literally just stretch it out, put one on top of the other, and it normally fits about 60 to 70% in there what's going to happen next. And then guess what? You can usually get the high on that cycle, right? And now we're running on top of it, right? And so if we're doing a macro analysis on this thing, if we go from the lowest low, which is right there, up to this high mark, this high water line, which is right there, literally intersection to intersection. This is boss method basics right here. Boom, boom. On a 7-hour. These are the projections, right? Keep in mind, we went soft there between the 2.2 and the 2.6. That's completely fine because we're still net positive as long as our 7-day moving average. So essentially, as long as our 49-hour average is above 0.031, Ethereum will continue to go higher before it goes lower. In addition to that, you can do something like this, which is a very, very, very crudely drawn trend line, right? And when you do that, you can also put it up here and up here, right? And that's going to give you the different channels that Ethereum wants to run in on this next breakout trajectory. And so essentially, 0.05, right? 0.05 BTC becomes kind of this new philosophical ascendance area, right? One interesting thing about 0.05 is it was actually very, very pivotal. In the past, when Ethereum broke down, once we got below 0.05, then two things happened. We either bounce back up for a quick surge, or we fell through the damn floor, right? And so essentially, that's where this chart wants to get back to, and that's why it's highlighted in that energy capstone right there between the 4.6 and the 4.2. Keep in mind, I made this chart looking forward at this energy section and didn't even look backwards to see what happened in the past. But that's how you know you have harmonic integrity, when the past confirms, or I'm sorry, when the future confirms the past, right? It's only three things that exist in the universe: the past, the present, and the future, right? 1, 2, and 3. 2 is a little bit spread out because we inferred that whole little energy section as our present moment, right? And so essentially 2 would have been this box right here, right? This inference of inertia, right? That's our section 2. And then 3 is unknown. But guess what? If you understand the past and you can infer the present, then the future is no longer a mystery. Why? Because 1 plus 2 always equals 3, right? And I think that's one thing we've been able to do pretty good on this channel, is pin down a lot of trades by using this, this resonance field finding equilibrium, and basically say, when it agrees, it agrees. Why do you need to prove it wrong? Let the market prove you right. And so that's what we do here on this channel. This is called the Boss Method. If you never heard of it, if you don't know, now you know. Just Google how to chart like a boss, watch that playlist, and you will be well on your way to making money in the market indefinitely. You know what I'm saying? Knowledge is power, and applied knowledge is priceless, right? And this is a gift that will last for generations. to come. I was so confident, in Ethereum and its capabilities that, I tell you guys about the profit package and about the different, communities that we have, the VIP trading communities. Well, this is the actual list of the profit package. Granted, I blocked out a few of those coins because some of them haven't hit yet, and I don't want to discredit our members who have paid for this information. However, on 108, January 8th, harmonic number in itself, your boy said Ethereum was the #1 coin to buy in the market. I believe that's when I sent that video out into the ether and into the world. January 8th, buy Ethereum, right? Let's jump back down on a 33 and see what the price was on January 8th. 178, boom, boom, right there. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. And just by following that one trade, you'd be up 28% in 10 days, like a boss, right? This was the #1 coin on the list when I made the profit package a week ago. Guess what? It's the #1 coin on the list this week. So if you want to know the other coins, it's literally 7 coins to swing trade every 7 days. I don't think anybody on YouTube is doing it better than your boy. I got years of statistics, you know what I'm saying? That's showing how I could pick the top of the market, baby. It's very, very easy. $50 for the first month. As I said, the profit package is normally $100 after that. Or if you still got some money in the market from that big surcharge on BTC, jump on in the Boss Alert messages. I'm giving this one away, $3.99 for 3 months. It's normally $2.50 a month. This is the Black Friday sale extended all the way. I'm calling it the 2020 as long as or 21 is it 21? 21 sale. As long as Bitcoin is $21,000 or more in the year 2021, this sale will be relevant, right? And so $3.99 for 3 months on the Boss Alert messages. I do private videos for these guys, live market trading, stop losses, limit sales. And so I actually just gave this group in-depth analysis on where I see, and it was like a triple Fibonacci. It was like bam, bam, bam. You know what I'm saying? Doing something like that. I made like a whole video showing these guys different limits that I see. I said, okay, put a limit sale here, a limit sale there, and then a maximum capstone up here. Now, granted, those are not the prices. That's, rhetoric for the purposes of you guys viewing it. But it was an in-depth video, almost like a 15-minute video, because I'm teaching these guys how to actually do this, what nodes you should take it from, what intersections you should be using, what different areas of the chart mean to the cognitive expression of the chart as a whole. You have to remember the only thing that exists in the world is either fear or greed insofar as this chart is concerned. How do they depict it? By these bars, right? I got bars, son, right? The only thing that exists in the world are those red and green, they call them candles. I call them bars. You know what I'm saying? They either lock you in or set you free. You decide which side of the fence you want to play on. I'm free. You know what I'm saying? My mind has been emancipated, and so has my world as a result. And this is the philosophy of it. You know, I don't talk about philosophy enough on this channel. The only thing that exists in our universe is either positive or negative frequency vibration force. You are the center of your own universe by design. Imagine a circle with that one point in the middle. You know what this is called? This is called circumpunct. This is one of the oldest symbols ever theorized by human beings when they start to think about their own existence. You are the center of that circle. Everything you know in your world is captured inside that circle, on that outer ring. Essentially, what you don't know is on the outside of that circle. You see? And so this is a very, very, very important and powerful symbol just for you to have cognizance of. Keep in mind there are many corporations, especially retail outlets, that have manipulated this symbol for profit. I won't speak of them on the air. I don't want to get this video flagged or shadow banned. It happens a lot on this channel, believe it or not. They must not want people learning how they can make money in the markets free and clear forever. But nonetheless, here we are. Circumpunct is a very important symbol, so we are saying everything that exists in the world of Ethereum exists on this chart. We got to go backwards to go forwards. We got to go forwards to go backwards. And here we stand in the present moment. I've told you many and many and many of times again on this channel, this is indeed the beginning of the end, right? But I'm not saying it like them false prophets down in Miami, them brothers screaming in them megaphones. I'm not saying it like Homer standing on the corner, ringing that bell, waiting for the world to come tumbling down. I'm telling you that therein lies the opportunity. Because just because something is not in your circle today, does that mean it has to be that way forever? Usually what they don't tell you is that circle is always expanding. It's always in flux with what you choose to bring into your environment. This then becomes the Vesica Pisces, right? Where your circle and someone else's circle have come into union. I believe the Bible says when two stand in union of each other, there I am in the midst of them, not the new generation, the old generation. Go back and read the original interpretation, and you will find words very, very, very similar to that form. I believe this is referencing the Vesica Pisces and the expansion of one's intentions, of one's consciousness, of one's furlough and thought and existence of the universe, right? Ain't too many YouTube people talking about this when it comes to Bitcoin, but God, you done came, you know what I'm saying? You came for apples, you leaving with oranges. Buy Ethereum and expand your well-being. Look, this is how we get down, you know what I'm saying? This is the new normal. They want to tell you about the new normal. I'm telling you what the new normal gonna be. It's gonna be beautiful. It's going to be effervescent, and it's going to be good intentions and positivity and wherewithal and understanding. Because the more you can apply, I believe the better your juxtaposition becomes on the world, right? Not too many people in the world even know what circumpunct means, what it is, what it represents. Not too many people in the world even know that the original interpretation given by the Bible for the word God could actually be interpreted as this symbol I'm showing in front of you right now. Go tell that to your preacher on Sunday morning when he asks you for $1. You know what I'm saying? $5, $10. Say, can you give me a different interpretation of the word using geometry? Let's see what happens, you know? See what happens. Back to bossofbitcoin.com. These are the VIP trading communities. We do speak freely in those groups. We do share ideas. We do support each other. And oh, by the way, we do hit them over the head and make some money in the markets. You know what I'm saying? I want 1 million millionaires behind me when it comes time to change this world. Because guess what? Just the same way they burning it down, we go be the ones to build it right back up. And that's going to be done on the blockchain. Believe that. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day signing out. Boss. Boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Men lie, women now, numbers don't lie. Pick up that profit package this week. Make some money with the boy BK. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again. Stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh?